Hey guys, welcome to the first video of how to vids, and our first video is going to be about how to make an origami heart. This is a great present for Father's Day and Mother's Day, and yeah, anything that has a bit of love in it. This is an origami heart that, yeah, we're going to show you how to make this. Pretty beautiful,
First,
right?
take a piece of A4 paper.
It can be any colour you want. As you saw, we had pink in our original heart.
Then, you have to make a square. So take the top right corner of the paper and fold it down, as you can see. Then, gently, carefully, crease the paper. Crease the paper on both sides. Then, using scissors or a ruler, cut along the line. Well, if you use ruler, then just rip. So as you see, the line here, cut along the line to make the square. Then unfold the piece of paper, and you should end up with a square like this. I used a ruler, so the bottom part of the square is not that neat. Make sure the line going through your paper is going from the bottom left to the top right, and make sure the line is actually a dent in the paper. Then take the top right corner and fold it down to the bottom right. As I think you may know, you should crease the paper on both sides now, using your thumbnail. Now you'll end up with 4 separate sections of triangles. Now, fold the paper in half from the top to the bottom. And as you may know, we should always crease this both sides. Now there'll be a line in the middle. Once you've done that, fold the top edge down to the line going through the middle. Crease this as well. Both sides. Once you've done that, flip the paper over. Now this part is like making an aeroplane. Fold the top corner and the bottom corner down, just like this, and obviously crease it. Both sides. Now, flip over your paper and fold the left edge and the right edge in and crease them. As you can see here, this is how you should make it. I've turned the paper around, and it's like the same process that we did last time. The top right corner comes down, and then the top left corner comes down, just like making an aeroplane. Obviously you should crease them, both sides. Then fold the top edge of the paper into the pouch. You should have made a little pouch. This is the hardest part of the whole making. Now watch carefully about how to fold these top flaps. You should have made 2 triangles. Now fold the top left and top right corners down, just like this. Crease them.
this is what you should end up with. Now fold the top left and top right edge down. So you make like a trapezium kind of shape. And finally, there you have it. Your lovely origami heart. Now, as you can see, we've made this with white paper. You can make this with any kind of paper you like, any colour. Thank you for watching.